Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 21st, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day, and the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the euro dollar, make sure you check out the video from this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So on the euro dollar, I mean, this whole thing is extremely sideways, very corrective. It still kind of looks to me like this could be an ABC. I do kind of think that this is more likely to push up. All the higher time frames are definitely still in an uptrend. I am for sure still primarily looking for longs. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it did jump down to one of these fib levels before it actually does go up. But compared to this move up right here, this move right here is very corrective compared to the move up, which does make me think that it may make a higher low, and then push up, maybe even all the way up to the 161.8 again. We test that 1.0895 area. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here to the left. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live analysis and trading sessions, where I cover every single one of the pairs on this list over here from top to bottom. Also, you get access to all my swing/day trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.